What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
So basically, it was me and some friends. We was out one night. I put my phone on top of the car, and I forgot it there. We had left. I had tracked it with find my iPhone, and it was at the same spot, sitting in the street.
Really?
Yeah.
Like broken, destroyed like that?
Yeah.
Wow, and still working?
Like the screen just a little bit pops up, but I can't really see nothing on it. So.
And you said you want the
like green color on it, different color.
Oh, you want a different color?
Yeah, for the back.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you, thank you.
We're gonna transfer the Face ID on the new screen. New screen is ready. Let's transfer his data. Time to cook this. Surgery time. One more time, laser. Cleaning time. Glue time. New color. What color would you like to get it? Comment below. that was you. What color would you pick? I'm gonna squeeze this in here. We are gonna apply new water seal. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at that.
Thank you. Look new. Needed this back for sure. It's nice. I like it. Thank you. I like the color too on it. Kind of nice.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last.